Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do this makeup look right here. And since it's the season and I'm gonna come up with lot more makeup tutorial like wedding guest, party makeup, bridal, etc. This is one of them, and I love the colors that are going on my face. So yeah, without further ado, if you wanna know how I get this beautiful desi wedding guest makeup look, so let's quickly jump into the video. So most important thing before going to any occasion or long day, basically you have to make sure you moisturize your skin very well before beginning to your makeup. I'm gonna take this Garnier wrinkle cream and I wanna order another one because it's almost finished and it's amazing. You know, for prepping your skin, it's very hydrating, super lightweight and amazing drugstore moisturizer, and I'm recommending this to you all guys. So the next important step is primer. You want to make sure that you're prepping your skin before starting makeup. So that means either it is pore filling primer or hydrating primer, whatever your skin type is. Personally for me, I like hydrating primer, but more so pore filling, just because of my nose area. I see lot of pores around my nose. So I love a pore filling primer, and this primer which I am using here, this is pore filling primer, and it gives a blurred out effect. I don't necessarily need primer. I skip sometimes and go on to foundation and it's totally fine. So let's move on to foundation. So now foundation is a very personal thing. Foundation and concealer, whatever works for you, you go for that, because you don't want to experiment on like a wedding day. If you are a wedding guest, I mean, come on, you are important as well and you want to look good. So you don't want to experiment on those days. You make sure that you picking foundation that works for you best. You definitely go for L'Oreal Infallible Illegal foundation. I picked out two foundations here. First one is Faces Canada and the second one is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I think it's amazing for the skin and for drugstore. What I'm gonna do is pick my flat brush and I'm just apply on my skin, and I'm come up with more wedding guest makeup tutorial and bridal look, and I have not done that on my channel. So for concealer, I'm gonna choose this Fit Me concealer. If you are looking for an amazing concealer for a wedding or you know, like a special occasion like today, this is gonna cover up all the blemishes. To brighten up, I'm taking this Maybelline concealer in light shade. This looks amazing and good for brighten up, and also look amazing in flash photography, and I just love that effect that it gives. So if you are like me, you wanna do this, definitely try this out. Now make sure you wanna set it with loose powder. That's my personal preference, and I think it sort of whole makeup come together for a long time. Make sure you setting your face, that ensure longevity of your makeup. So make sure you are putting powder all over your face. I avoid using cream products because on occasion you gonna hug people, you gonna like dance, whatever, and cream products like come off when you touch your face. So I rather stay away from cream products and only focus on powder products. That's my personal preference, and it enhances longevity of your makeup. Also for prepping your eyes, you definitely don't want to go with the eyeshadow bare. Your lids are kind of oily if you have noticed, so you don't want to put eyeshadow on oily lid. You want to put some concealer, set with loose powder, then go for eyeshadows like exactly I have done. I am taking this light pink shade and go over my eyes. I'm gonna move on this dark beautiful plum shade and focuses on the outer corner. So wanna pat your eyeshadow so you don't have much fallout and slowly start dragging in the crease. So for my lid, I am taking this bronze shade and put that on my lid. And I am taking this gold shade and putting right top of it. And I am taking this little bit of black and put it on my outer corner. And I am taking these two colors and put it on my lower lash line. And I am taking little bit of black and apply on my lower lash line, like very close to my lower lash line. So for eyebrows, I am taking this angle brush and I am gonna start filling up my brows. They take up so much time, but once you do them, it changes your face. It completely frames your face. So yeah, I'm just put off mascara and I'm just gonna put lashes and then I will be right back. So yeah, I'm taking this sugar bronzer and I'm using this contour brush as usual. And I'm taking Nykaa blush and this is so good. I love this blush. And finally my ladies, we're gonna move on to blinding those guests, shock them with our glowing skin. And I'm taking this Maybelline highlighter and blind the wedding guest, if you know my ladies what I mean. Don't forget to put highlighter in the inner corner, brow bone and the bridge of your nose. And here I am using Lakme Lipper and the shade is Coral Scents and it looks so pretty. So yeah, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, so please don't forget to click like button and subscribe to my channel. And I want our family to grow and grow and grow. One more thing guys, you can definitely switch out the products, whatever suits you best. I really love this look and I think it looks so pretty. I will see you in my next video.